Case name Kariyappa and age is 30 years and today date is 2nd April 2026. Complaint of high pitch voice even after puberty. I need voice sample before starting voice therapy. Why you came?
My name is Kariyappa. I came here to take treatment for high pitch voice problem from SLP Sanjay Kumar, sir.
What happens when you speak to the people?
People think it's female voice.
Post therapy video of Kariyappa and today date is 9th April 2026. I want speech sample after the voice therapy. Tell about yourself and what was the problem and how do you feel after the voice therapy?
Hi, my name is Kariyappa. I have high pitch problem, voice problem. Now I am feeling better after the therapy.
Okay, earlier you had high pitch voice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell your hobbies.
My hobby is cycling, gardening.
So when you spoke yesterday, or today, what was the reactions of the people after listening to your new voice?
They are not recognizing me.
Okay. First time to whom you called after the change of the voice?
My friend, sir.
What is his name?
Hanumant.
Okay. How you know him and his childhood friend or college friend?
He is college friend, sir. He is working in army, Indian army, sir.
Okay. So what was his reaction?
He is surprised, sir. It's good.
Okay. And what is your mother tongue?
Kannada, sir.
So can you tell in the Kannada what was the problem? How do you feel after the voice therapy?
ನನಗೆ ಧ್ವನಿ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಸಂಜಯ್ ಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಈಗ 8 ದಿನ ಥೆರಪಿ ತಗೊಂಡ ನಂತರ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Those who are watching this video, if you are able to see positive changes, like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get motivation, hope, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for watching.